kutoka chirangi cha Crown Paints. Eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boygo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boygo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Wairire wiana no mwanche muri Getembe TV na Ekeonga kya mwamogusi ritukoria gatatu mutenyoka no mwaka bwechiri 2025 Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobo ngencenga 3 Nyaboga Kevin Ongeri ne ochikonkonya kuri studio akabire kwana kemuna chibiche chigana marogi ngwekera chire asenchira ere yo wekran kaba na into ikomwere tokumanye gatiari atekire kurwa imina isko yorogongoro wagusi na togo chaka ritukoria gatatu rero nigo muraiwensi ya Kenya umuske daktari William Samoei Ruto umukonyoye umuske professor Pram Kithure Kindiki abarai amona abarai bagendereria itaro yabo ya magendero ase enseme ya Mount Kenya ritukoria rero nigo bachaka ne county ya Nyandarua ase morogobo rero bare county ya Murang'a erigo chake nabo yokorotota emirobiro ya magendero ase enseme yo kokona koro enseme ya Kankema ime ya Murang'a muraiwense ni gatebere ni gobono arache kwenekia amagendero ase Chinsa mecho anana mono obwagachi bw'ekinyumba kya magorianse obwoigori bw'ekinyagitari nabo igono ko wagacha chipara ase chikaunti enseme ya Mount Kenya ase bono abori abantu kogenda kwerikia no murobiro sha
hawa community health promoters yeye analipa mshahara kidogo nusu, mimi nalipa ile nusu ingine, na tumekubaliana ya kwamba wale wananchi wa chini, ile program ya NHIF ya zamani ilikuwa inashughulikia watu wenye ajira, mtu wako na payslip na mtu mwenye wako na uwezo, lakini tumebadilisha sasa, tukasema hata mama mboga anatakikana awe na bima ya afya hata kama hajaajiriwa na mtu. na ndio sababu hiyo tumeweka mfumo mpya wa Taifa Care ya SHA ambaye tumewauliza kila mwananchi ujisajili. Kila mtu atalipa kulingana na uwezo wake. Kuna mwenye atalipa 1,000, kuna mwenye atalipa 500, kuna mwenye atalipa 200, kuna mwenye atalipa 100, na kuna mwenye hana uwezo kabisa, sisi tutamulipia kama serikali. Ndio kila mwananchi akienda hospitali atibiwe na aende nyumbani bila ya kuuza shamba yake ama kuuza ng'ombe yake, ati analipa bill ya hospitali. Linda Mama tumeingiza ndani ya SHA, sasa tunalinda kila mtu. Linda Mama tumeweka pesa ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba na huyu ndugu yangu mheshimiwa Irungu Kang'ata anajua ya kwamba sasa tumeweka pesa, sio ya kwamba atalinda mtoto kwa miezi moja. Tumesema watoto wote tangu wazaliwe aende primary school, wale wa secondary school. Tumeajiri walimu wengine 70,000 kwa
Omo gavana we county ya Nyeri omoske Mutai Kahiga oyuboigo orumosani oime kabisa womokonyi omukuru w'omuraiwense ya Kenya omoske Rigathi Gachagua nigesokire na gukwanira etaro y'omuraiwense ensemo ya Mount Kenya asibona ateire omoske Ruto nigare kingpin asensi ya Kenya na tari ase orogongora Mount Kenya.
Unajua ni vizuri, mimi nimekuwa, si mimi mwenyewe pia nilimkaribisha Nyeri na kwa sababu ni rais na mimi ni gavana na nikampokea lakini hata yeye mwenyewe anajua uchangamfu uliokuwako mwanzo na ule uliokuwa wakati huu kuna tofauti, kwa sababu kuna yale mambo ambayo yalitendeka ambayo hayajakuwa. Unajua watu wa Mlima Kenya huwa sio watu wa kuchangamka na kupiga nduru na kufanya nini. Wakikasirika huwa wananyamaza. Sasa juzi tulisikia, tulielezwa kwamba rais anakuja, tukaambiwa kwamba anatuletea mazawadi, basi tukajitokeza na tumepata. Nataka niseme hivi, rais ni kingpin wa Kenya, lakini pengine sio kingpin wa Mlima.
Ekeonga gyokorwania mario yogotinda imense kia National Authority for the Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse gosenakada nikabono kubatira n'abanyanyimbo kiagendereire umusako bukuriga mario yogotinda anene mono ase county ya Kisii asabono kiabwatite chigunia chinyinge chenya sore ase kenyoro kia mamogesa kegotoka ebunge ya Kitutu chache.
The owner of this facility, because these are rentals, is a person known to everyone in this locality, and it is possible that this person has been conducting this business for quite some time now. And I want to thank that member of the public who was bold enough to report to us about this kind of business that has affected our youth around this particular area. We further took the operations to his residence, and we established that the owner of all these premises might have escaped the police, but we want to warn him that he needs to present himself to the authorities. The earliest the better, because we are going to catch up with him and we are going to process him to face the law.
So we urge our society or the parents,
Nakuru asensemiri chisemi nigobono muwaziri wa chisemi mense ya Kenya Moske Julius Migosi Ogamba atebire insi murobero CPC ntorigo chigotwara chiskuru chicha county school, extra county school, provincial gose national school asabona atebire chiskuru chonsi nigo chirache kubagwa korengana nemeremo eri chirache chikoba chigosomya asabona neba nigo akwaneire umurobero boko na chibesa chiase university gose university new funding model.
The schools will no longer be classified as national, extra county or sub-county. Instead, classification will be based on the pathways that each school offers. The three pathways, as you are aware, are STEM, which is science, technology, engineering and mathematics, social science pathway, and the arts and sports science pathway. Categorization of schools will also be based on the type of accommodation of schools, whether they are boarding or day, and the new framework is learner-centered and aims to empower students to pursue their passions and talents in a structured, supportive environment. With Mary Hill's strong academic performance, diverse co-curricular activities, expansive facilities, and dedicated staff, clearly it puts this institution on a firm footing to offer all the three pathways. In January 2026, we will welcome the first cohort of the CBC into grade 10, the senior school. This calls for readiness in terms of infrastructure, teacher training like the Bishop has said, and curriculum implementation. Mary Hill Girls School must prepare to not only maintain its tradition of excellence, but also lead the way in delivering the competency-based curriculum in a transformative way. So last year, we had 246,000 students getting C+ and above out of 965,000. I think about a month and a half ago, we had somebody writing in the Standard that the government is not going to be able to take care of these 246,000 students. Let me disabuse you of that notion. The government is not only going to take care of the 246,000, but it's going to take care of more than 305,000 students, because what has happened is we have 305,000 spaces in the universities. So the portal opened on Friday and we extended.
Na umona chebino monene minsi ya Kenya muske musibati mathakome nigo araige ikara kyogo kwanira rio mana na boigo kongsanana wensemo echindemero anene mono ensemo ya Mathare county ya Nairobi go kwana chinga keche nigo musibati mathakome atebire chinchira nchiroro kyogo kora rio mana irio na boigo kongsanana noko asenchira yo bororo abantabu batari kurwana barabo asabanyene.
Here in Mathare, this is a community that is marked by resilience and vibrancy. I love people of Mathare. They never give up. And for us coming here judiciary, mmeshaona majaji tena wengi hivyo na Chief Justice. Hii ni kumaanisha tunampenda sana. And we identify with you. We identify with the problems here in Mathare, and we know these problems can be solved, and can be solved in a way that is sustainable even for the future generations. How we can sustain this ecosystem of Mathare. People coexisting as families, neighbors, with our rivers and with our environment. That can happen. And it affirms our commitment to bringing justice closer to the people, especially in communities where access to justice is most urgently needed. We all need justice. Na tumeambiwa
na togo chigokora nigo rishirika ryo koringo ria chimbusuro imensi ya Kenya irima tikeni na Kenya Plant and Health Inspectorate Services goseke fis ribono ria ritukria rero ria ru amaigerio gochia sabarimi igore chinchara barachi ko tumeka komanya chimbusuro chingia na boigo chimbusuro chiria chire chimbe chinga kichecho nigo bagikiria okoni wa chimbusuro chimbe asero beruensi ya Kenya na boigo enseri ya Tanzania.
Wetu wa kilimo Honorable Mutahi Kagwe ambaye ametutuma na ametuwezesha kuja hapa na kuongelesha wakulima na kuwajulisha ile kitu wanafaa kufanya ili waweze kupata ile mbegu bora. Ni kila wakati tunafanya what we call multi-agency approach and surveillances. Tuko na maofisa wetu pamoja na maofisa wa polisi na maofisa wa border stations zingine, tunapita kwa borders tukiangalia those smuggling routes ambazo wanapitisha hizo fake seeds. Na tukiwapata tutaendelea kuwafungulia mashtaka.
Kupitia mafundisho nzuri, kwa sababu tulikuwa tunaenda tunanunua mbegu mahali haijasajiliwa, hatukuwa tunajua, lakini leo tumeambiwa usiposajili hiyo mbegu na uhakikisha mahali umenunua umechukua receipt ambayo itakuonesha hii mbegu ni nzuri. Kama unaona ni mbaya unamrudishia mtu haraka sana.
Kwa tunapitia mambo mengi. Mbegu tunanunua mbegu, tunakuta mbegu ni gushi na watu hawana ufahamu. Lakini kupitia KEFIS wamekuja wakatuletea mafunzo, wametuelimisha mambo mazuri kwamba unaangalia mbegu, lazima uwe unajua kwamba mbegu kama ni original lazima hiyo na lebo ya KEPHIS, ya KEBS, na unaangalia, una scratch. Ukiscratch unapata hiyo code, unatuma, inakuambia kama mbegu ni valid.
Mwancho muriena raya kora semesi Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi tukeria Alhamis asenchira yobo kora ndi asenchira yobo kirano ni Chinsa ibere na bogo Chinsa inyerio chobot kubwarero no yominto Haron of Toto nyangirinche ngatirana Nyaboga Kevin Ongeri nero kwene kemra chibichechi gana marogi ngoikira chiri asenchira yobo kirano ganda gotwara borigeri borobuya na bogo botoro asemero biyonsi ya Getembe TV ekogochira ase embe tumara tukure angyo.
Eduka yobo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Sha Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer bunno iga asachi tile au nokugora chikaton emronge toto ni gokwa growth kilo isato bosa gokora chikaton meronge tani gokwa kilo isano na isato bosa gokora chikaton emrongo etano ne tato ni gokwa kilo emrongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size endonse Niko okoegwa eye asichi brand bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange ba kresimese number 0703943972 ajirago cha aseduka ya Abere Kansons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisii opposite Mucha Place.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tempo abo bago kolemiremo ase